Hey guys, today we're gonna make Minion Phone Case. For this project, you will need white, gray, yellow, blue, black, and a 3D printing pen and tape. You can use this technique to make any image you like on your phone. Today I'm gonna use Minion. If you like to make this 3D Minion, you can find it on my channel. But today I'm gonna make the phone case with Minion on it. And of course you're gonna need a phone. You can use any brand or any model. First you're gonna print out the image that you like it on the copy paper and make sure your image will fit on the back of your phone. Now we're gonna use tape to tape it to your phone. Make sure it's on the back of your phone. This side of the phone there's a bottom here, so we're gonna make a mark. Okay, now make sure that's where you want it. I leave a little bit space here so you can write your initial or your name on here if you want to. If not, you can just move it down a little and keep it in the center. After you're done with taping the paper, we're gonna start with yellow on its body. At first, I'm gonna do the edge of it. The same, I'm gonna set it in the speed 4. Now I'm gonna change color to blue to do its pen. Next we're going to do its eyeball, so we're going to use in white. Next we're going to do its goggle. I'm going to use gray for this circle. Next, I'm gonna use black for the rest of its body. And I'm gonna make an eyeball in the center here. Okay, now we have finished our minion. For the background, today I'm going to use white. You can use whichever color you like. For the hair area, I'm just going to fill it in and then we add the hair later. There are some bottom here, so I'm not gonna do this part. So I'm gonna start from here. Now we're gonna add some edge of it in here so it would help to hold it better. Now we're gonna do the top and the bottom. So use a piece of paper. Make sure you make a mark on the area. There's a bottom here. Okay, now put your phone back on here. We're gonna do the top here. Okay, now let's just finish our top part and do the same thing on the bottom here. Let's do the last part, close up here. We don't want to do this part to cover up this part, so we're going to make a mark on it. Now after you tape it up, you're going to put your phone back into the case. So now it's just going to fill up in here. Okay, now we're done. Now right here you can write your name on here. So it will be one of the kind just for you. For writing, I'm going to set it in a slow speed. If you want to make this 3D minion, you can find it on my channel. And if you like these videos, you might like my other videos. So check out my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Leave a comment down below and let me know which one you like the best, the 3D minion or phone case. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!